Hey YouTube, so I'm going to do a quick video on soldering wires together, or an easy... Hey YouTube, I'm going to do a quick video on soldering wires together. So this is just some scrap wire that I had laying around. I'll show you how to quickly solder them together and do it nice. So I usually strip about a 1/2 inch off. You got the two bare ends of wire. So what I do is I fan them out a little bit and stick them together. And then what you do is you just twist them together right there in the middle. Just so it's nice and secure. Just like that. I already got my soldering iron preheated here. So what I generally do is I just take a little bit, tin the tip of my soldering iron. Take it, let it warm up for a couple seconds. You gotta get the wire hot so it sucks the solder in. This is pretty thin wire, so it won't take much. Now I'm just trying to clean it up a little bit. Well, that's pretty much it. I'm pulling with pretty much force. I'm pulling the sheathing off of it. But as you can see, that won't come apart, so you got a good solid connection there. And if you want to clean it up nice, get a little bit of heat shrink tubing like that. I generally go about a 1/4 inch on either side of where I just stripped it off. Slip it over, and then I have a hot air station. So I'm just letting it warm up a little bit. And you just take it, shrink it down all the way around.